All right, so welcome back. So now we're going to start talking about derivatives of other trigonometric functions. And so since other trigonometric functions are ratios of either sine or cosine or both, we're just going to be using the quotient rule to derive these derivatives. And then once we derive them, you can derive them anytime you want by using the quotient rule or memorize them. And of course, I'm always a fan of memorizing them because it's quicker and easier. Okay, so let's go through and find the derivative of this function tangent x. So we want the derivative tangent x. And so we're going to use the quotient rule, because this is equal to the derivative with respect to x of sine x over cosine x. And so we're going to apply the quotient rule and use what we know. So this is equal to what? Remember, low d high minus high d low over low squared. So it's going to be cosine x times the derivative of cosine, which is negative, the derivative of sine, which is cosine, minus high d low, which is going to be sine x times what? The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so we're going to get another sine x here, but then this is going to go to positive because of the negative sign. Okay? And then over cosine squared x. Now, what happens? Well, now things are going to simplify very quickly. So we get cosine squared x plus sine squared x over cosine squared x. Okay, well, what happens to the top? That's the Pythagorean identity. So that means we get 1 over cosine squared x. And what is 1 over cosine? Well, that's going to be secant. So this gives you secant squared x. And we're done. So the derivative of tangent is secant squared. And that's it. Have a great day.